Hey everybody, it's time for Art Factory, and I'm your host, Miss Marissa. We're still in April, it's still going strong, and we've got lots of fun art crafts on the way starting today. Sometimes art is fast, and sometimes art is slow. But to hear more about that, we've got to see Her Majesty, the Queen. Hello, Your Majesty, how are you today? You're doing magnificent. You're doing royally well. That is so great. Now I was talking about things that are fast and slow. I know as a bird, you are quick and you can fly through the air with speed. Do you know of any animals that are slow? A turtle. Turtles are slow, but I'm thinking of another animal. It does have a tough shell, but it's a little slimier than a turtle. That's right, a snail. You know, in April, it rains and it gets wet. And you know who likes wet? Snails. So I thought we could make a fun snail craft today. Here's what you're gonna need. A paper plate for that nice snail shell. A little cutout of a little wiggly shape as the snail head. And of course, some cut up squares of any color. I chose red and green to decorate. Let's see how it's made.
First, you'll start by attaching the head to the front of your plate. You're going to be decorating the back of your plate, so you'll make the head stick out so you can see it. You might have to use tape if the glue doesn't work. Next, take your pieces of paper and decorate your snail shell. I decided to do a red and green pattern, but you can use rainbow colors or do it any way you like. I like to have it spaced out a little bit so it looks like a mosaic.
Just need to add a few finishing touches to the face. And there we go. Check out my snail. He's happy as can be, even if he is going a little bit slow. I guess he kind of looks like a turtle too, so whatever you're feeling, that's what you made. All right, let's show the Queen. Hey, Your Majesty, check out my snail. He kind of looks like a turtle. That's what I said. But I think he looks snailish too. I like it. Either way, slow and steady wins the race. I can't wait to see the snails that you guys made. I used a pattern, but you can do whatever you want because your art is yours. But until then, see you next time.